Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make squishy clay. For this you will need salt, measuring cup, tablespoon, a spoon to mix with, a bowl, canola oil or vegetable oil, and water and flour. So first you're going to start off with 1/2 cup of salt. I started off with a lot less because I don't have enough. Next we're going to need 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, tablespoon of vegetable oil. Put that in. And then we will need 1 cup flour. Put this in here. And then we'll need 2 tablespoons of water. You'll probably need to add more water when you're doing this because it just varies on the batch. And so then you'll start mixing. And sometimes you'll need to add more flour, water. Depends on how dry or wet it is. Like, I'll need to add more water, I think. And I'll add another teaspoon of that. Tablespoon of that. And just keep on mixing it until it gets to like a doughy form instead of what it is right now, like floury. And you'll just keep on adding until it's in that doughy kind of form. So this is good about now. And then your hands will get messy. So you're going to need to, because you're going to mix it with your hands. So you're going to take this, going to start mixing it. And you're going to, and I still need to add more water because it's still kind of like floury. So I'll get a tablespoon of that. Mix that in. And as you can see, it's now becoming more of a dough. And so then, after you're finished mixing this, you are going to put it in the microwave until it's like golden brown. Okay, so this is the final result. As you can see, it has like a yellow tinge to it. It's all doughy. And this is how you want it. And then if you want to make squishy balls or squishy buns, you just roll them into balls, flatten out the top, and roll out the edges, and just leave them to dry. And then that's pretty much it. Okay, thanks for watching.